When choosing new windows, homeowners want a solution that balances style, comfort, and everyday usability. Double-hung windows continue to be a popular option because they offer versatility, ease of use, and reliable performance across many home styles. For homeowners in Eagle, double-hung windows are a particularly practical choice thanks to their adaptability, comfort benefits, and long-term value. A window style that fits many home designs. Eagle features a mix of traditional, transitional, and newer home designs. Double-hung windows complement all of these styles with their clean, balanced appearance. Their classic vertical layout feels timeless, allowing them to blend seamlessly into a wide range of architectural looks. For Eagle homeowners, this versatility means double-hung windows enhance curb appeal without overpowering the home's design. Flexible ventilation for everyday comfort. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their dual operating sashes. Homeowners can open the top sash, the bottom sash, or both, allowing for customized airflow. In Eagle homes, this flexibility helps regulate indoor comfort by letting warm air escape through the top while drawing in fresh air from below, creating a naturally comfortable environment. Practical solution for changing conditions. Homes benefit from windows that adapt to daily and seasonal changes. Double-hung windows make it easy to adjust ventilation based on indoor comfort needs. For Eagle homeowners, this adaptability supports consistent comfort without relying entirely on heating or cooling systems. Easy operation for all areas of the home. Double-hung windows are simple to open and close, making them a practical option for rooms throughout the house. Their design works well in bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and even upper floors. In Eagle homes, this ease of operation adds convenience to everyday living, especially in spaces used frequently. Simplified cleaning and maintenance. Many modern double-hung windows are designed with tilt-in sashes, making cleaning easier, especially for upper-level windows. This feature allows homeowners to clean both sides of the glass from inside the home. For Eagle homeowners, easier maintenance saves time and reduces the hassle of window upkeep. Improved energy efficiency when closed. When properly installed, double-hung windows seal tightly when closed, helping prevent drafts and air leaks. This contributes to stable indoor temperatures and improved energy efficiency. In Eagle homes, better sealing helps reduce energy loss and supports a more comfortable indoor environment year-round. Enhanced safety and peace of mind. Double-hung windows offer practical safety benefits. The ability to open the top sash while keeping the bottom closed allows ventilation without compromising safety. For Eagle families, this feature adds peace of mind while still allowing fresh air into the home. Supporting long-term home value. Windows are a visible and functional part of any home upgrade. Double-hung windows are widely recognized and appreciated by homeowners and buyers alike. In Eagle, installing practical, well-known window styles can help maintain or improve long-term home value. Reliable performance over time. Modern double-hung windows are built with durable materials designed to withstand daily use. With proper installation, they offer reliable operation and performance for many years. For Eagle homeowners, this durability means fewer concerns and consistent comfort over time. A smart, practical choice for Eagle homes. Double-hung windows combine classic style with everyday practicality. Their flexible ventilation, ease of use, low maintenance, and energy efficiency make them a dependable option for many homes. For homeowners in Eagle, double-hung windows offer a smart, practical upgrade that supports comfort, convenience, and long-term value.